watching. I wanted to do a little satisfying video, you know, something that's satisfying to watch. Hashtag so satisfying. So what I did is I cleaned the car up. Look at it, shiny. So we just did a quick little video of just taking the car to the car wash, and I hope you guys like it. It's nice, short, sweet, and just meant to be so satisfying. Hopefully you guys wash your car this week. It's getting real dusty out there. I'll see you guys. I got so lucky.
This guy told me he just...
A free 4 minutes, bro. I don't even gotta pay for this shit. And Keone pulled up to meet up for the car wash, so I'm excited.
Baby, I'm okay with how you left me. I know plenty bad bitches tryna text me. I just blew a couple bags on the night piece. Ain't all that new money coming in next week. Okay. Said I'm living the way. Always. Only care about my pay. I'm waiting to find what you gave me signs, but you ate it, it's fine. That's all I know, so baby, that's all I know. Baby, I'm okay with how you left me. I know plenty bad bitches tryna text me. I just blew a couple bags on a night piece. Ain't all that new money coming in next week. Baby, I'm okay with how you left me. I know plenty bad bitches tryna text me. I just blew a couple bags on a night piece. Ain't all that new money coming in next week.
Wow. That was really satisfying. I mean, the suds just comes right off the car, which is really nice. And the car is really nice. So you want to take care of the nice things that you have, you know? If you have a car, it's nice. Keep it nice. It's really shiny. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. This was just a little side thing I did. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video where I will install car parts, I think. Bye.
Baby,